Okay, this is just a random thing, just checking how my camera uploads and stuff, okay? Waiting to sing a song, Blood and Wine, by Dustin Kenyon. Okay. It sucks, so, okay, let's go. I've been with Sally, I've been with Sue, I've been with Cindy and her sister too. Now I'm trying to settle down, start a family with a cute little kid. But now that I've tasted blood, now this wine seems to thin. I've got a needle, don't be alone. It shoots strange and lovely things into my arm. I'll shoot my own mother for some sweet heroin. Well, now that I've tasted blood, now this wine seems to thin. Sometimes the white coats, they have black hearts. We've learned to sugarcoat the same blood gods. Well, I turn let it go. How kill original sin. Oh, now that I've tasted blood, now this wine seems so thin. Now I walked in the bank and I pulled out my gun. Well, you should have seen those people scream and run. I used to make an honest buck now. How can I go back to that again? Oh, now that I've tasted blood, now this wine seems too thin. Oh, now that I've tasted blood, this wine seems too